How to configure two-factor authentication. Learn how to configure email and phone verification, set up OTP authentication methods, customize expiration times, and enable secure login options in your system. Users can directly log in to the setup in the first section. With the new two-factor authentication, 2FA feature, users must verify their login using an OTP sent to their email or mobile, ensuring enhanced security and preventing unauthorized access. The admin can enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to enhance security. To configure this, first log in to the admin dashboard. After logging into the admin dashboard, click on Settings from the sidebar navigation. After that, click on System Configurations to access platform settings and configuration options. From here, click on Common Settings to configure additional system parameters. Next, enable email verification after registration to require users to verify their email addresses. Following this, enable phone verification to require users to verify their phone numbers. Then, enable the checkbox to activate sending welcome emails after user registration. From here, click Phone OTP Settings to configure authentication methods for platform users. Then select Yes to enable login with phone number verification through OTP. After adding all the required details, click the Save button to apply the changes. After enabling phone verification, the login page will be updated. Users will need to enter their phone number and verify it with an OTP to log into their account. Following this, click on Email OTP Settings to configure email-based authentication options. Afterwards, select Yes to enable users to log in with email verification via OTP. Following this, enter the desired OTP expiration time in minutes for email authentication. Next, set the number of minutes for which users will be blocked after reaching the maximum resend limit. After filling in all the mandatory details, click the Save button to apply the changes. After saving the email verification settings, users will log in via email and verify with an OTP sent to their email ID. Secure your platform with two-factor authentication, 2FA. Learn more about our features and benefits on our website.